Hello everyone, welcome to this video. In this video, I will show you how to fix if NFC is not working in Motorola G67. So before starting video, please subscribe the channel and like the video. So let's start the video without wasting time. First of all, enable NFC. Open setting. Now in settings, scroll down, click on connected device. Scroll down, click on connection preferences. Click on NFC and turn on this button. After turning on this button, enable NFC from your phone. Now go back. After that, restart device. Swipe down, open quick setting panel. Click on power off icon and click on restart. After click on restart, restart your device. Now go back. After that, update all apps. Open Play Store. Click on your profile icon. Scroll down, click on manage app and device. Click on updates available. Now here you will see update apps, and if you want to update all app, then click on update all. After click on update all app will be updated from your phone. Now go back. After that, software update. Open setting, scroll down, click on system updates, click on check for updates. Now here you will see update or got it option, and if you want to update software, then click on got it or update software. After click on got it or update software, your phone software will be updated from your phone. Now go back. After that, reset all settings. Open setting, scroll down, click on system, scroll down, click on reset options, scroll down, click on reset device setting, and again click on reset device setting. After click on reset device setting, all setting will be reset from your phone. This is how you can fix if NFC is not working in Motorola G67. I hope you like this video and thanks for watching this video.